Hey everyone, and welcome. We are about to jump headfirst into the incredible and, let's be honest, kind of complex world of the Google AI ecosystem. But before we do, you should know this series has a pretty unique twist. You know, new tech is always changing the game, right? It's reshaping our world and really unlocking our own potential. And let's face it, there is nothing moving faster or with more promise right now than artificial intelligence. So, our goal with this series is pretty straightforward. We want to give you a clear, powerful guide to Google's AI tools. We're going to break down what they are, see how they all connect, and this is the important part, figure out how you can leverage their incredible potential. Okay, but here's that twist I mentioned. There is something fundamentally different about this whole explainer series. Because, you see, to really show you what these tools can do, we can't just talk about them. We've got to see them in action. And here it is, the big reveal. The very series you're about to watch, I mean everything from the overall structure right down to the scripts, was co-created in collaboration with the Google AI ecosystem itself. So what do we mean by co-created? Well, in this partnership, we used Google's Gemini as a kind of strategic partner. It helped us speed up the whole process, acting as a research synthesizer, a structural architect, and yeah, even a creative co-writer. The crucial point here is this. We figured the best way to help you understand the power of AI is to show you a real, tangible result. The proof is in the pudding, right? Well, this series is the pudding. The workflow itself was actually pretty simple, but incredibly powerful. It started with a complex idea for a guide. We partnered up with Gemini AI to help with the structure and scripts. And the output? Well, it's the explainer series you're watching right now. Now, a traditional workflow for a project this size would have taken weeks, no question. But by collaborating with an AI partner, the entire creative process was accelerated. I mean, dramatically. It's really a testament to a new way of working, where our human creativity gets amplified by artificial intelligence. So as you watch each episode, just remember that you're not just learning about AI. You're actually experiencing a product that was created with AI. It's a real-world success story of human-AI collaboration in action. And don't worry, we're not going to keep that process a secret. In the final episode, we're going to pull back the curtain and give you a full step-by-step breakdown of exactly how we used these tools to build this entire series from the ground up. So are you ready to get started? Let's begin the journey and dive right into the first episode. Welcome to the Google AI ecosystem.